Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can contact Perpay or how you can get in touch with them. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to open your Perpay app, and once your Perpay app gets opened up, you will end up in this kind of page. So to get in contact with them, you need to click on the need help option. So once you tap on need help, you will end up in this page. So in this way, you can get in contact with the Perpay team by giving them any sort of information or asking them any queries. So in this way, you can be in contact with the Perpay. So just scroll through your help option and ask about anything or everything to them and simply get the answers to it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.